time you learned a lesson. It's time that you understand. Don't ever count on anybody else in this or any other land. No. I once hoped for friendship, to find a place among my kind. But those were the childish wishes of someone who was blind. Open up your eyes, see the world from where I stand. Me among the mighty, you caged at my command. Open up your eyes, give up your sweet fantasy land. It's time to grow up and get wise. Come now, little one, open up your eyes.
Don't touch my children!
We all start out the same, with simple, naive trust, shielded from the many ways that life's not fair or just.
Which one are we going to take?
But then there comes a moment, a simple truth that you must face. If you depend on others, you'll never find your place.
This one. No, wait. This one!
Was my mother really trying to save me that day? Or did she confuse me with my sister? Well, which is it? Which one of us didn't she
And
need?
as you take that first step upon a path that's all your own, you see it all so clearly. The best way to survive is all alone. Open up your eyes, see the world from where I stand. Me among the mighty, you caged at my command. Open up your eyes and behold the faded light. It's time to grow up and get wise. Come now, little one, open up your eyes.